So 3D printing is the next step in manufacturing. 3D printing and additive manufacturing is the future in the US of all forms of manufacturing. Luxexcel was the first partner and the only partner in the world right now that can 3D print lenses that have ophthalmic quality.
Well, Luxexcel has developed this technology and we understand how to make it work. What we do need is we need to find people who have a daily need that we can fulfill with this technology.
We were very interested and aggressive in our pursuit of our partnership with them, and I think it's that enthusiasm between IFB Solutions and Luxexcel that keeps this partnership going with an eye to the future.
So the people at IFB we find share our vision, certainly have an enormous drive to make things happen, and they have the mentality to overcome difficult situations. And especially with a new technology, that is the mindset that you require.